How can we clear cache in Google Chrome for desktop? After you open your browser, head to the top right. You should see those three dots here with more options. There will be a special tab for deleting the browsing data. There's also a shortcut for that, Shift, Command, Backspace, or Shift, Control, Backspace on Windows. Click on this, and you will see option to delete your cache, and you can decide from how long. So we can just delete the last hour of browsing, and that's usually enough to solve the problem. So if the website is crashing because of issues with your browsing data, that's usually enough. But if you want to kind of wipe everything, there's also option for that. So we can do 24 hours, 7 days or more. So we can do 4 weeks or all time. All of the browsing data will be gone. So that's how you do it. Then confirm by clicking delete data. And here it is, I got confirmation the last 15 minutes deleted. Alright, I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.